Picking up the pieces, these structures were erected just 3 months ago. More than 5,000 shacks are now occupying this area in Botshabelo. Ntati Silimela, who's one of the shack owners affected by the storm, says she came to erect the structure after she realized that renting was too expensive.
I am renting where I am currently staying and decided to come and put my shack here so that my family and I can have shelter and not wait until we are stranded.
The damage has come with a huge inconvenience to residents.
I had built a shack with only new material, and I lost all that material because I didn't find not a single sheet. And I spent around 8,000 rand for material to build 2 rooms. We have lost a lot in this disaster.
8,000 something.
I arrived here on Sunday night during that storm, and some people were already stranded, and I started assisting them. People have lost a lot here, and there's a lot of damage.
The weather office says temperatures are expected to increase later this week.
We as South African Weather Service can confirm that from tomorrow, the weather will start clearing from the western parts of the country, so we can still expect some few isolated showers over the eastern parts of the Free State as well as the eastern provinces such as KZN and Mpumalanga.
The Department of Cooperative Governance plans to improve basic service delivery in the area. Many of these families say they've resorted to erecting temporary structures as they continue to wait for houses. Aphumelele Mdlalane, SABC News, Botshabelo.